we're about to give you a room review.
Yeah.
All right, what room are we in?
We are in room 1138.
We're in Tower
3.
So this is the view you're gonna see in a few minutes, is the view from room 138, Tower 3. All right, Emma, open the door.
Very
First thing I noticed is the closet does not have a door, which makes it seem a lot more spacious.
Yes.
Oh, that's right. A lot more spacious.
It has an iron and an ironing board.
Broom.
A broom, yes, with the dustpan, some hangers, and a luggage carrier.
Oh, luggage rack. That's nice. And a
there
big
is
rack
a
to hang
shelf.
stuff on.
Yes.
And a
Now-
shelf for storage.
Yes. Let's make our way into the bathroom.
All right.
So in the bathroom, we have a nice counter.
Nice, a lot of counter space. There is a hair dryer, which is
dryer.
nice. Ooh, that's powerful.
And then over here, we have some nicely folded towels and some original towels with a toilet paper over here and a hand soap and shampoo and another shampoo. And over here, we have our beautiful toilet. And then over here, we have our shower.
All right.
And-
as far as bathroom goes, out of 10, what do you give this bathroom?
7.
I give it a 7.5. It's
I'd probably give it a 5. It's not a very big bathroom for the 4 of us to get together.
But it's a nice
get
bathroom
ready.
if you just want to have a bathroom to
All
be
right.
in.
Do we have a light in here?
We have.
We do have a light.
Okay, so that's just power. So leave it up. All right, so let's start right here. Em, what do we have in this corner?
Right in this corner, we have a nice mini fridge. In the mini fridge, we have some nice spacious room. We also have a freezer for your cold stuff, like your freezing cold stuff. And then up here
We have a microwave
Yes, our microwave.
that has pop. Oh, it's one of the ones that have stuff on it. Popcorn, baked potato, pizza, beverage, frozen dinner, or reheat.
And then all your other bits of stuff on
All right.
Right. Up top, we have a ice thing with some cups for your beverages.
All right, Elsie, what do we have over here in this
We
corner?
have a-
First of all, look at the corner. Wow, let me get over here so y'all can see.
I can do a full sprint.
No.
We
All right,
have-
look at, there's a lot of space over here.
We do
So,
have a safe, which is nice,
yeah, there's a little safe down there. All
and
right,
an outlet.
I guess we can set stuff on top of it too. All right, thanks. All right, so starting with this table, what do we have on it?
We have a little touch powered lamp,
Nice.
like a dim all the
Okay.
way up top like that.
And what do we have behind it?
Behind it, we have two USBs.
Turn the light on.
Oops, sorry.
Okay.
Two USBs and two outlet chargers.
2 USBs and 2 outlets.
We
Okay.
have a remote.
All right.
It's kind of oddly shaped.
Our remote.
All right. A remote for obviously for the TV.
Nice size.
It's up on the wall, which gives you a lot more counter space.
Yes.
Again,
a lot more.
space is what we're looking for when we are cramming 4 of us into this room.
And then.
All right. Over on the nightstand, we have.
We have one clock that is touch activated. The light turns on in the back.
There's a light on the back
and I
that
think
comes on.
it may be a speaker too. Then we have the phone.
Okay.
And then there is a couple outlets down there. They're kind of hard to get to.
Three right there.
And then any empty outlets?
There's
I don't
3
know.
empty outlets.
Oh, okay, cool.
Then you have a drawer.
Okay, so that's nice that that doesn't go all the way to the floor.
Yes.
You have a little more storage
Like for your
space
shoes.
again.
Or
All right,
luggage.
and then over here we have the credenza and a desk.
Yes, and right here in these drawers, you just have some nice
A
space.
lot of space.
Case
Looks like
in.
probably used to have a refrigerator in it. And
Yes,
there's another
there is.
outlet in there if you need another outlet.
There is. There's
Uh-huh.
another outlet in there.
And then we have some
We have a
drawers. 3 drawers.
Nice drawers.
Yes,
And
because I like to unpack when we are
over
somewhere for
here,
several
if you
days.
noticed, we have a nice door. And you're probably wondering, well, what's in the door? Well, if you have a bigger family, or you're with your grandparents or some other family, they can be in here, and you can be in here. 2 separate rooms. But we're not going to be using this door today because
Or this week.
for this week because we are just a family of 4 and we can stay over here. So then the desk, I like how it's pushed over here just like so it's not weird or anything.
Mhm.
And you got
So it's nice. This is like a kitchen table
yes,
right here.
You could have one of these chairs right there. We have a chair over there. And
Yeah.
a chair over there.
So we have 4 chairs in here. There's
There's
2 that we can pull over here to add to this. There's a coffee maker.
Yes, 2 coffee cups
The
and
coffee cups
some
and some coffee.
coffee and a coffee maker.
I
of
think
course.
that they will bring us more, or we can get more if we ask for it.
Yes.
Because it's not going to be enough coffee for the week. All right. Each of you grab a curtain.
Okay.
All right, everyone, on 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's the ocean. All right, so this room comes with a balcony. And this is the view from Tower 3, room 1138. So if you come out, we have 2 chairs and a table.
And
You can put those back in the corners. And then this is to the north.
Show the water side.
Yes.
This is the north. And then the pier is to the south of us. All right. There's a lot of people down on the beach.
And it's a beautiful beach.
It is. I'm so excited to get down there. There are people out there parasailing.
Yes.
All right, and so if you look directly below us, this is one of the reasons we are here. We have a water park, water slides that are connected to this hotel.
And if you look right over there, super look, then you can see a pool, a nice pool right there.
There's a pool down
A nice
there.
balcony, somewhere in the shade, somewhere in the
So that's how many pools? We have 1,
one.
then there's 2,
And then we have
and then we have a lazy river.
lazy river for you
And then
parents.
it looks like there's maybe 2 more pools on the other side. So it looks like there's a bunch of stuff going on here.
Yes.
We will be doing some lives and some more videos from different parts of the hotel. But for right now, we're gonna leave you with this view